When one of our subscribers reached out because he wanted us to turn his new home into the ultimate smart home experience, we were excited, not just because we get to design it and showcase it, but because we went all out. Racks, audio, video, control, security, you name it, we did it here. This is what it looks like to build your smart home with Empire AV. Let's go check it out. This wasn't just about tech, it was about truly creating an immersive lifestyle where entertainment, lighting, audio, security, and control are fully in sync. So let's start with the rack. Two big 35U racks housing thousands of dollars of smart home equipment. There's a lot of information in this room and in this video, so instead of making a really long video, we actually created separate videos to dive a little deeper into every aspect of home automation in this home. And the first one is the rack, so let's get to the details. Home audio is going to be one of the most used elements out of every smart home, whether it's for entertaining with music and games, whether it's for alerts because someone broke into your house, or a birthday celebration. Audio is critical to any smart home. And in this home, we have a lot of audio. Almost every single room in the house has at least a pair of speakers, and some of them even a surround sound. As a matter of fact, we made another video that goes deeper into the audio experience, so let's go check that one out. Video is another very important element of your smart home. In this specific project, we got multiple displays. Samsung frame to give you that artistic look, a really large display in the home theater for movie nights, and some outdoor displays for entertaining. Let's dive a little deeper into video. Smart lighting, it's about smart living. It's not necessarily about adding smart switches into your system and just turning them on and off from your phone. The whole concept of lighting is to create scenes that are built around your lifestyle and add value to what you have going on. Right now, we're gonna go a little deeper into the lighting options and things that you can do for your next smart home. So now let's talk about how to secure your empire. You got all this audio, this video, this smart stuff, but it's time to have peace of mind. Control 4 allows you not just to integrate your cameras, but your actual security system. Let's get to the details. All right, so all of this home automation stuff is pretty cool, but if it's not reliable, it's kind of pointless. When it comes to Wi-Fi and networking, as I've always said, that is going to be the backbone of your home automation system. So let's get to the details. Our industry is so broad and so detailed that I took the time today to give you a full tour, and then we made little separate videos to go into the details of everything that we did here. If you didn't hear me earlier in the video, we appreciate subscribers. Subscribe to the channel because it puts a big smile on our face. Not only that, but it lets YouTube know that people are watching. Share this video with someone, comment below. Outside of that, have yourself an awesome day. Peace. Good job. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for watching. That was good. That was good. That was good. I'm proud of you.